Bonjour tout le monde. Today we are going to learn the new topic, that is agenda writing in French. As you know that in writing skills section you have to write agenda in French in your board paper. This question is for 5 marks. It is actually a very easy and simple question which will surely give you 5 out of 5 marks. So, learn it carefully and try to understand it very well. Now let's move to the actual question of agenda writing. Agenda is a routine of someone. It can be daily or monthly routine. It can be weekend routine also, students. Or it can be someone's full life history also. In your board exam, only one type of agenda will be asked to you. Either it can be a daily or weekend routine, or it can be monthly routine, or it can be a full history of a person. Agenda can be in present tense or futur proche or passé composé also. But students, you are very lucky. Why? I am telling you. From last year, your paper pattern has been changed. And so, your agenda will be only in present tense. So, you have to prepare the agenda in present tense only. Before 2 years, students used to have the agenda in futur proche, in passé composé, and in present tense. So, they have to prepare all three tenses for the agenda. But now, your work is very easy. So, this year, we are going to prepare the agenda in present tense only. Generally, agenda is written with the help of connecting words. That is, d'abord, puis, après, ensuite, enfin, or à la fin. What are the connecting words? D'abord. D'abord means firstly or first of all. Puis, then. Après, again, then. Ensuite, afterwards. Enfin, finally or at last. And à la fin means also at last or finally. So, you have to use all these connecting words in your agenda. These connecting words are having marks in your board paper. So, you have to use these connecting words very carefully in your agenda. Let us see the question. How question may come in your exam. Let us see the example. Voici une page de l'agenda de Catherine. This is an agenda of Catherine. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait tous les dimanches? What she does on every Sunday. Écrivez un texte par des phrases complètes. Write a paragraph in complete sentences. Environ 50 to 60 words means approximately in 50 to 60 words you have to write down your agenda. Now, such points will be given to you while writing the agenda. See the points. Sept heures, se lever. 8 heures, se laver. 9 heures, prendre le petit déjeuner. 10h30, aller pour faire du shopping. 17 heures, aller au cinéma. 20 heures, dîner au restaurant. So these are the points which you have to elaborate to write your agenda. If you see carefully, you will come to know that this is present tense agenda. In present tense agenda, we have to conjugate all the given verbs in the points in present tense. So, read the points carefully. In point section, you can see the verbs se leve, se lave, prendre, aller and dine. These verbs are given there and you have to conjugate these verbs in present tense. Now let's see how we can write the answer of agenda by elaborating all these points. Answer of agenda. Now I am elaborating all the points. You have to write down the first sentence of agenda, which is actually given in question also. Voici une page de l'agenda de Catherine. This is the agenda of Catherine. Now this is weekend routine. Correct? So I will use Sunday. Or we can say le weekend also. In question they have given le dimanche. So I will use le dimanche. Le dimanche, on Sunday, d'abord, first of all, à 7 heures du matin. See here on a, that accent should be given, but that facility is not given in my mobile. So I was not able to give the accent on a, but you have to give it. D'abord, à 7 heures du matin, elle se lève. First of all, at 7 o'clock in the morning, she gets up. Then next point, now I am connecting word puis. Puis à 8 heures, elle se lave. Then at 8 o'clock, she washed herself. Se lave, to wash oneself. Après, à 9 heures, elle prend son petit déjeuner avec sa famille. After, at 9 o'clock, she takes breakfast with her family. Now here, you can say that in the given question, only prendre son petit déjeuner. This much sentence is only given. So why should we extend the sentence? To make your sentence more attractive or more meaningful, you can add some words. But if you are confident, then only you add these extra words. Otherwise, you just elaborate the point. You can just write down après à 9 heures, elle prend son petit déjeuner. Actually, this much is also correct. Next point, ensuite, à 10h30, elle va pour faire du shopping avec sa mari. Again here, ensuite, afterwards, at 10:30, she goes to do the shopping with her husband. Now in question, in point section, only à 10h30 aller pour faire du shopping. This much point is only given. Now here I am extending that sentence with avec sa mari. À 5h means à 10h. 5h du soir. Elle va au cinéma pour voir le film Fosse. In the 5 o'clock in the evening, she goes to the cinema theater to see the French film. Now I am extending le film Fosse, these three words. Enfin, à 20h, finally at 8 o'clock, elle va au restaurant chinoise. she goes to the Chinese restaurant with her friends for the dinner. Now I am using here extra words, Chinese restaurants with her friends. If you write down the given point only, if you elaborate the given point only, and if you use only those words, still you will get the full marks. So don't worry if you are not able to add the extra words in agenda. But if it is possible and if you are confident, do it, because it will make your agenda more attractive. So this is the answer of agenda in present tense, or daily routine, weekend routine agenda. If question related to daily routine or weekend routine agenda comes in the exam, you have to write down the answer like this. Next time we'll see the example of weekly routine agenda. Hope you understood how to write down the agenda. It is very simple and easy way to write the agenda, and for sure it will give you out of marks in the exam. So learn it very well. Au revoir.